As the deadly coronavirus continues to haunt the entire world, panic has gripped India too, as in the latest developments. From just 6 cases till yesterday, the number of cases have now surged to 28. The Health Ministry has confirmed that 14 out of the 21 Italian nationals have been found positive for the coronavirus. They have been sent to the Indo-Tibetan Border Police's quarantine facility in Chawla. Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan has confirmed in a press briefing today that from now on, all flights and passengers will be part of the universal screening, not just the 12 countries which had been listed earlier. The government has also said that if the Iranian government supports, then the government intends to establish a test lab there as well. This will let India bring back its citizens from Iran after thorough screening. Also, on conducting contact tracing, the person tested positive in Delhi, the government has found that he infected 6 members of his family who are in Agra. All 6 members have tested positive for the coronavirus. The ministry has requested all hospitals in Delhi to develop good quality isolation wards in order to stay prepared if more cases of coronavirus are suspected in the national capital. While out of the 28 cases, 3 are totally out of danger. Health Ministry has advised to avoid any large gatherings and take every possible preventive measure. Even PM Modi took to Twitter to inform that he won't be attending any holy event this year. COVID-19, which has spread rapidly across the world, has infected more than 80 countries. The government has even suspended visas and e-visas granted on or before March 3rd to people travelling from Italy, Iran, South Korea and Japan after a surge in cases of COVID-19 in these countries. There have been over 92,800 cases of the coronavirus, with at least 3,100 people that have died so far, with majority of them being in China. Infections have steadily risen in Iran, Italy, Japan and South Korea. The outbreak is having a major impact on the global economy and the stock market. The World Bank has committed $12 billion in aid for developing countries grappling with the spread of coronavirus. The emergency package includes low-cost loans, grants and technical assistance. The action comes as leaders around the world pledge to shield their countries from the economic impact of the outbreak. While as there is no cure yet for the deadly coronavirus, prevention is the only way out. Stay alert and stay safe.